Welcome to Extend Office channel. In this video, we delve into 4 straightforward methods to get the day of week from dates. Method 1. Using format cells. Select Dates and right-click to choose Format Cells Form Contents menu. Under Number tab, select Custom from the list of category. Then type DDDD into the text box of type. Click OK. The selected dates have been displayed as day of week. If you want to show the dates as weekday in abbreviation, type DDD into the type text box. Method 2. Using Kutools. Beyond simply formatting dates as days of the week, you might want to display them in other styles. This is where the Apply Date formatting feature of Kutools for Excel comes in handy. With it, you can easily transform dates into a variety of formats by just a single click. Before using Apply Date formatting feature, please install Kutools for Excel firstly. Select the cells you want to handle. Click Kutools, Format, Apply Date Formatting. Then choose the date format you need from left list. And preview the result in right section. And then click OK. Method 3. Using Text function. If you want to show dates as days of week in a separate cell without altering the original date, you can use the text function. Select a cell that will place the day of week, apply this formula. A 2 is the cell reference to the date you want to get its day of week. DDDD indicates to convert a date to text and display as a full name of the day of the week. And press Enter key. Drag Fill handle down to cells for getting all results. If you want to convert a date to text and display it as the abbreviation of the day of the week, in the formula, using DDD instead of DDDD. Method 4. Using Weekday function. The Weekday function in Excel provides the day of the week for a given date, represented as an integer. Select a cell that will place the day of week, apply this formula. A 2 is the cell reference to the date you want to get its day of week. Then choose the return type as you need. Here I choose 1. And press Enter key. Drag Fill handle down to cells for getting all results.